Lately, you all have been asking me about ivermectin. You said, Dr. Jen, does ivermectin work for COVID? Dr. Jen, have you heard about ivermectin? And in the situations you guys have asked me, I've been like, well, yes, I did a video on that some time ago, which, by the way, I did. It was around June, I think I did a video on ivermectin about your dog's heartworm medicine and if it works for COVID. But I was wondering, why is this coming back around? What's going on? So of course I went on the Googler, and I saw that ivermectin is making its rounds again. The question being, is this a treatment, et cetera, for COVID-19? That's what we're going to talk about today, guys, because it's definitely worth talking about. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle. I'm a practicing family physician. For those of you who don't know me, I am also a television health expert, and I'm a video creator as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. So we're talking about ivermectin today. But by the way, did you know, and I said this before, but ivermectin is heartworm medicine for your dog. It is also an anti-parasitic for people. That's right. So ivermectin is actually used right now as a heartworm medicine in dogs and as an anti-parasitic in people. It's got real FDA approved indications. The big question is, can it, does it, should it, is it being used for COVID-19? This is what I will say about this. There are actually a number of studies about using ivermectin and trying to see if it has some efficacy against COVID-19. The studies I've seen have been mostly lab studies or in vitro studies. The bottom line is, I don't know that we know if it's a medication that could work for COVID. Now, let me just go to the FDA, because the FDA sort of is very, very clear about this. The FDA says, in answer to the question, should I take ivermectin to prevent or treat COVID? It says, no, period. It says, while there are approved uses for ivermectin in people and animals, I talked about those, right? It's an anti-parasitic in people, heartworm medicine in dogs. It is not approved for the prevention or treatment of COVID-19. And you probably knew that, right? So, but that is the deal. It's not approved for treatment or prevention of COVID-19. And you really shouldn't take any medication. You definitely shouldn't take any medication for treatment or prevention of COVID-19 without talking to your doctor, okay? Just saying. And then also, another question that the FDA answers is there an emergency use authorization for ivermectin in the US to prevent or treat COVID-19? Well, that answer is no, period. There are such things as emergency use authorizations for certain medications, drugs, therapies, etc., vaccines even, right? Haha, COVID vaccine, but not for ivermectin. We are not there yet. And then what is it approved for in the United States? Again, on the FDA page, because again, they are nice and concise, and it's just fabulous. Ivermectin, again, is approved for use in people as an anti-parasitic. It's approved for use in animals as a heartworm medication and perhaps for other things as well. Guys, don't take ivermectin to prevent or treat COVID-19. As you can tell, and hopefully you're gathering, this is not a treatment or prevention for COVID-19 as of yet, meaning it is not proven to be that. It is not proven to be either of those things. We still need more studies with so many things with COVID. We need to look more into it. So we need more studies, better studies, more data. But right now, this is not the case. So just put the idea of ivermectin on the shelf. Hopefully we'll have more data about it so we learn exactly what the deal is. But for right now, leave the prescribing of ivermectin to your doctor or to your dog's doctor. Guys, I hope this is helpful. Please share this video wide, far, and large, if that even makes sense. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, I invite you to do so. Also, click the little bell to get updates. I do daily health videos, so you don't want to miss any. Guys, I will see you soon.